Section 1. Welcome to Paradise. Welcome to Ned Voyage, your top 5 Punta Cana experiences. Alright, let's get right to it. Picture this. You're dreaming of a getaway where the sun always seems to shine, and the biggest decision is, lounge by the pool or the beach. That place is real. It's called Punta Cana, located on the eastern coast of the Dominican Republic, a true tropical paradise. Before we dive deep, here's a quick look at the absolute must-do activities. Your highlight reel. First, experience a world-class beach resort. Second, spend a day at legendary Bavaro Beach. Third, get active. Try water activities in that stunning turquoise water. Fourth, take a day trip to Saona Island. It's like stepping into a postcard. Fifth, indulge in local food and fresh seafood. These 5 things are your ticket to the perfect Punta Cana vacation. So, what makes Punta Cana special? It's the feeling when you step off the plane into warm tropical air. Section 2. Why Punta Cana? Sun, sand, and seamless travel. So, why should you choose Punta Cana for your next vacation? It's a great question, and the answers are as clear and inviting as the Caribbean water itself. The biggest draw is, without a doubt, the sheer natural beauty of the place. We're talking miles upon miles of powdery white sand beaches, lined with swaying palm trees, and met by calm, brilliantly blue water. It's the kind of scenery you see in travel magazines and think, is that place even real? I'm here to tell you, it is very real. This stunning backdrop creates an instant sense of relaxation and escape, which is exactly what most of us are looking for when we take a break from busy lives. Beyond the postcard-perfect views, Punta Cana is built for convenience and comfort. The area is home to a vast array of resorts, many of which are all-inclusive. This means from the moment you arrive, nearly everything is taken care of for you. Your meals, your drinks, and often a wide range of activities are all included in one price. This takes the stress out of planning and budgeting while you're there, allowing you to simply relax and enjoy yourself. Section 3. Finding your perfect stay, from luxury resorts to cozy hideaways. Okay, let's talk about where you're going to stay. This is a huge part of your vacation experience, and in Punta Cana, your options are incredible. The first category we have to cover is the luxury resorts. These are the places that pull out all the stops to make you feel like a true VIP. Think sprawling properties with immaculate grounds, multiple gourmet restaurants, and service that anticipates your every need. A great example is the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino Punta Cana. It's massive, vibrant, and always has something going on, from incredible pools to live shows and, of course, a huge casino. Another fantastic choice is the Paradisus Palma Real, which offers a more elegant and serene atmosphere, perfect for couples or families looking for refined relaxation. These luxury resorts often come with exclusive perks that elevate your stay from great to absolutely unforgettable. Many have their own private stretches of beach. They typically feature world-class spas where you can indulge in a relaxing massage or beauty treatment. High-end packages include premium, brand liquors, extensive room service menus, and access to a la carte restaurants specializing in Japanese and Italian cuisine. It's an experience designed for pure indulgence, with every detail curated for comfort and style. Section 4. Exploring the best beaches, a shoreline for every mood. The beaches are the main event in Punta Cana, and believe me, they do not disappoint. Each stretch of sand has its own unique personality, so you can find the perfect spot to match your mood for the day. Let's start with the most famous of them all, Bavaro Beach. This is the quintessential Punta Cana beach. Long, incredibly wide, soft, pale sand, powdered sugar between your toes. Calm, stunning turquoise water, perfect for swimming and floating. A huge number of resorts line this beach, lively, energetic vibe, people, music, activity. If you want something more rugged and natural, head to Macau Beach, public beach, local, authentic feel. A favorite among surfers with bigger waves and dramatic cliffs at one end, simple local restaurants, fresh fish and cold drinks, a short drive from resort areas. For peace and quiet, Uvero Alto is excellent. Further north, more remote, wilder coastline ideal for long contemplative walks. The ocean can be more active here. Pay attention to conditions, yet it stays tranquil and secluded. Last, Juanillo Beach in exclusive Cap Cana, impossibly white sand. Calm, clear water like a natural pool, chic beach clubs, perfect for families or a special day. Once you've found your perfect spot on the sand, it's time to get into that beautiful water. Punta Cana is a giant playground for water sports enthusiasts, with activities suitable for every level of thrill seeker, from gentle beginners to seasoned pros. One of the most popular and accessible activities is snorkeling. You don't have to go far to see marine life. Many resorts have coral reefs right off their shores. Best experiences are on dedicated tours that take you to the clearest water with abundant, colorful fish. It's a fantastic activity for the whole family. If you want to go deeper, scuba diving delivers caves, coral gardens, and even shipwrecks. Certified dive shops offer everything from discovery dives to advanced certification, with gear and expert guidance. Seeing vibrant reef life up close is pure magic. Prefer to stay on top of the water? Catamaran tours are a must. Glide across the sea on a spacious, stable catamaran, with music and refreshing drinks. Swim or snorkel in secluded spots. Sunset cruises are especially romantic, chasing adrenaline. Try parasailing for a bird's-eye view, jet skis for speed, windsurfing or kite surfing on windy days. Whatever your level, time on the water is essential. It's where the real magic happens. While the beaches are incredible, there is so much more to explore in and around Punta Cana. If you're ready for an adventure on land, check out the many parks in lush tropical landscape. Ziplining is the star. Harness in, soar through the canopy and fly platform to platform. Exhilarating with stunning views. Many tours bundle activities for a full day, perfect for families and thrill seekers. Try a dune buggy or ATV tour, get a little muddy and explore the Dominican countryside. You will drive your own off-road vehicle, follow a guide through rural villages, past farmland, along rugged dirt paths. Tours often stop at coffee and cocoa plantations, a hidden cave with an underground swimming hole, and even a secluded beach. It's loud, bumpy, and incredibly fun, a side of the DR most tourists miss. One of the absolute highlights is a day trip to Sayona Island. The brochures don't lie. Go out by thrilling speedboat, return on a relaxing catamaran, with music and dancing. Sauna sits in a national park, pristine, undeveloped beaches, blinding white sand, impossibly clear shallows. Most tours include a barbecue lunch on the beach. For a different island, visit Catalina, famous for snorkeling and diving. The Wall is a dramatic drop-off rich with coral and marine life, often ranked among the country's best. Catalina's beaches are beautiful and generally less crowded than Sayona. Perfect for an underwater-focused day. Alright, let's talk about one of my favorite subjects, food. A vacation isn't complete without some delicious meals. Punta Cana offers a fantastic range of dining experiences. The most convenient, your all-inclusive resort. Expect a main buffet for breakfast, lunch and dinner. Huge variety of international and local dishes. Great for families. Picky eaters included. Fresh fruit, pastries, pasta stations, carving stations, and decadent dessert spreads. Many resorts also have a la carte restaurants. Traditional sit-down experiences that often require reservations at check-in. Expect Italian, Japanese teppanyaki, French cuisine, and American steakhouse fare in stylish romantic settings. Venture out for authentic Dominican flavors. Seafood spots by public beaches. Plastic chairs on the sand often mean the freshest catch. Order whole grilled fish with rice, beans, and tostones, simple and unforgettable. For upscale seafood, La Yola in Cap Cana, built over the water, is unforgettable. Try a local Commodore for La Bandera Dominicana, rice, beans, stewed meat, and mofongo, mashed green plantains with garlic and cracklings, often topped with shrimp or chicken. Grab empanadas for a snack and sip fresh coconut water right on the beach. From casual shacks to fine dining, Punta Cana serves the tastes of every traveler. I know travel logistics can feel overwhelming, but getting to and around Punta Cana is very straightforward. You'll almost certainly fly into Punta Cana International Airport, code PUJ. The airport is modern, clean, and features cool open-air spaces with thatched roofs that put you in vacation mode instantly. It's one of the Caribbean's busiest, with direct flights from major cities in North America, South America, and Europe. Once you land, clear immigration, grab your bags, and you're on your way. Most resort areas are only 20-50 minutes away. Pre-book a shuttle or private transfer. Many packages include it, and hotels can arrange it. Taxis are plentiful. Confirm the fare before you get in. Many guests stay on property most of the time. Everything's right there. If you want to explore, you have options. Use taxis for short trips. Your front desk can call a trusted driver for restaurants or shopping. Ride sharing exists. but availability can be inconsistent. Taxis remain more reliable. For longer excursions, other beaches or day trips, organized tours usually include round-trip transport. Adventurous? Rent a car. Main tourist roads are good, but driving habits differ. Be a confident, defensive driver. Always keep a map or GPS handy to navigate with ease. With smart choices, you'll move around effortlessly and maximize every sunny minute. So, there you have it. Your quick and easy guide to the amazing paradise of Punta Cana. We've covered where to stay, what to do, and delicious things you can eat. It truly offers something for everyone. Non-stop adventure, or a quiet patch of sand to read and listen to the waves. Stunning natural beauty, warm hospitality, modern convenience. Plan a little to pick the right resort. Choose activities that fit your style. A few final tips. Safety first. Resort areas are generally safe. Use your room safe for passports, extra cash, and valuables. Don't leave your phone or wallet unattended on the beach. Pack plenty of sunscreen. The Caribbean sun is strong. One small secret tip, learn a few words. Hola, gracias, por favor. Your effort earns warm smiles. It connects you to the culture of the Dominican Republic. So, what are you waiting for? Blue seas, warm sand, vibrant culture are calling. Recharge, make new memories, and feel pure joy on a perfect beach vacation. Start looking at flights, pick the perfect resort, and trade routine for sunshine and smiles.